Okay, trying to solve Rubik's Cube using my GoPro app. Let's go. YouTube. Okay, gotta get the cross. Little technical term there. There's an algorithm for this. It can be done even by a completely normal, non-algorithmic person like me. I am just following a simple algorithm and I'm getting in the rhythm of the algorithm. Okay, got the cross there. Now I have to get the corners. Okay, the little red green corner. Fine, fine. And then that's the blue orange corner right there. A little trick to do that. There you go, blue orange, done. Okay, now we gotta find, well, that's the wrong corner. Okay, gotta find red green corner. Okay, corner's done. Okay, now we've got to do all these other stuff. Yeah, red green, where's red green? Red green isn't there. Find it, twist it. Okay, there it is. That's done. Red over there. Okay, red, that corner's done. Blue orange, we gotta find blue orange. That's that. Blue orange is done. Okay, one more green orange, green orange. Done. Okay, now we just hit the first layer by doing that. And then we turn it around. Now we got to get the green orange there. And there's a little trick for that. Okay, now we've got two layers. And that's a configuration I haven't seen before. Okay. Oh, something. Okay. Okay, now we have the corners, but they're a little bit off, right? Okay, we gotta get all these straight. Okay, two of them are good now. These now have to be corrected. And these are corrected now. Now we just gotta fool around with this top thing. That's sort of right. Okay. Okay, now almost done. More to go. And that is how you do Rubik's Cube. Well, that was painfully slow. Once I got the rhythm of that darn algorithm, it went a heck of a lot faster.